Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome as your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today we are going to be reviewing and demoing the new Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadow eyeshadow palette. This is one of their 9 shadow palettes, which looks like this. And I will give you guys a close-up. So there it is. And Morphe describes this as 9 shades that smoke it out, rock a smoky eye look like no other with these gunmetal grays and dark rich hues. This palette of powerfully pigmented, crazy creamy, beyond blendable shades is made for creating sultry, smoldering looks. So that is the look that I did today. I don't know if you would call it sultry or smoldering, but this is the look I did today. So I wanted to go ahead and swatch these shadows for you before we jump into the tutorial. This is All Hours, which is a matte chrome. Which looks like that. The next shade is After Dusk, which is a matte deep khaki. So that kind of blends in with my skin tone, but it's that right there. Let me see if I can get it to pop a little bit more. Alright, so there is After Dusk. The next shade is Wicked One, which is a shimmering bronze. So there is Wicked One, and that is the first row. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my hand off and go into the second row. The next one we have is Feeling Moody, which is a shimmering olive bronze. So there is Feeling Moody. The next one is Steal Away, which is a shimmering steel gray. And this is one of the shadows that I have on my eyes today. And then last but not least, we have Dark Side, which is a matte smoky mocha. So there's all 3. Again, this is Feeling Moody, Steal Away, and Dark Side. Next we have Silver Storm, which is a shimmering silver. And this is another shadow that I have on my eyes today. So there is Silver Stream, which isn't swatching on my hand very silvery, but as you can see, like on my eyes, it is very silver and very shimmery. Next we have Nightfall, which is a shimmering charcoal. I have this in my under eye area. And then last but not least, we have Lights Off, which is a matte black. And I have this in the outer corner of my eyes. So again, that top one there is Silver Storm, which is that shimmering silver. Then we have Nightfall, which is our shimmering charcoal, and then Lights Off, which is matte black. So there's all the swatches of these eyeshadows, guys, and I would completely agree with what Morphe has said on the back of this package. They are very creamy, they are very pigmented, and they blend very, very well. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the demo portion of this video so that way you guys can see these babies in action. So I'm gonna prime my eyelid using some Morphe concealer. And then buffing that out with a little mini buffer. And then I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here, which is called Steal Away, and I'm just taking my Morphe M504, and I'm gonna dust that all over my lid. Now I'm going to take a 433 and go in to our matte black over here. And just pop that in my outer corner. Next, I'm going to go back in with my 504 and then just kind of blend that black and that gray. Now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more of my concealer. And I'm just going to cut my face a little bit. A little more concealer. Next, I'm taking my Morphe M124. I'm going to go in with this silver right here. And now I'm going to go with my bullet brush back into that black a little bit and just kind of place some more color on the edge here. Then back in with my 504 and a little bit of the gray we used before, and then just kind of blending this out. And then I actually kind of want that silver to pop a little bit more, so I'm going to go with my finger and just tap a little more of that silver on there. There we go. Now she's popping. I don't know what it is, guys, but lately I've been forgetting to prime my face before I start my eyeshadow. I don't know what the situation is. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I've been wearing this lately, guys, because I don't know. I think I may be allergic to my NARS Natural Radiant, which I'm really sad about because I really like it. But my skin has been freaking out lately. So it's either the foundation, this rose water that I put on my face, or it's just that time of the month. I'm not really sure which one it is, but my skin has not been happy lately, so. Now I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Morphe concealer in the shade C 3.25. I'm just blending that out using a NYX Beauty Sponge. Now I'm just setting my under eye using some Kunafa powder from Huda Beauty. For my under eye, I'm going in with this shade right here. It's like a glittery charcoal, so I feel like that'd be a good blend of like that silver glitter and like the black on top. And then I'm going to take the silver and just pop that right . And then just to kind of smoke that out a little bit better, I'm going to use my little bullet brush with nothing on it and just kind of hit that shadow a little bit. Next, I'm going to do my liner, and this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner, my like favorite liner. Now I'm just going to coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara before I put on some lashes. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I need to get a new tube of because this one is drying out. Alright guys, so now I'm going to set my face using some warm saffron powder from Dermablend. I almost said Dermalogica. It's Dermablend. Now I'm going in with my Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. For blush, I'm using Mojave Mauve from Cover FX. I'm just doing a light sweep of color. I don't want to do too much since the eye is so bold. Just want just a little bit of color there on the cheeks. And now I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. I'm gonna quickly do my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow in a dark brown and an angled brush. And then just setting that using some Essence Brow Gel. Alright guys, and then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Garter Lashes from Kiss. And then for lips, I'm going to go in with Whirl from MAC. And then I'm going to pop a little of See-Through on top of that. Alright guys, so I'm really digging this look. This is really pretty. I haven't worn like gray silver eyeshadow in so long, but this is so pretty. Perfect little palette for like a night out. It's not very daytime, but I say like this is a very pretty, like if I were gonna go out type situation, this would be a really pretty like smoky eye situation. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this swatch and demo of the new Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadow palette. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below your thoughts on the palette as well as this eyeshadow look, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.